Guys, the last video to make on green things, it wasn't so good. That means today's gonna be all blue, and I'm gonna ask the here and go outside because I do not want to be in the thing. And I'm going to that. Yeah, sure. Thanks. Today I need to eat all blue things. That's gonna be that kind of horrible. So here, then let's go. First, I'm gonna see chicken. There's some green chicken. Honey blue. It's kind of blue, but there's nothing very blue, but I'm still gonna get it. Something here. Yes, I'm gonna get those. And this. And this. And something blue here. Yes. Candy. Yes. No, and drink. Oh, I can get this. I have no little space, and I can get another. Water. Then get this. Let's get this. This. And candy. This. And I think this is all. Okay, I'm gonna begin with pizza. Eat pizza. I'm gonna put this all in my bag. Didn't have lots of space. Oh, blue. I love this thing. Okay. And every time when I go to eat random colors in food, I'm gonna change my skin. But those two videos I didn't because I forget about it. Next video is gonna be all yellow. That means I have to make a yellow skin. No, dude, don't. No, hell no. I'm going to leave now from here. That means bye. I'm not sitting beside him, like, no, leave, dude, like, you ruined my video, I know. Okay, let's just continue here, like, there's nothing except the tray. Oh. Okay, let's continue eat. Crunchy. Okay. And I want to eat this. No, I want to get some water drink. Yes, and water. Okay. Every blue damage is a blue day. Okay, and sauce. I need it. Water. So tasty. And he left from there. Okay, I'm gonna eat those two more. Go back to my space. Okay, then continue. Yes, so tasty. What? Then I'll to get those two. I do not know what is it. Oh, another ones. Okay. And this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat all those first. I'm gonna do like this and eat it. Then eat this one. They're so crunchy and tasty. And add them in the soaps. Get one of them and put it here. They look so good when it's there in there. I know to do a different one with this one. And eat it. And this one. Then I'm just gonna eat all those three. Yum. Then this one. Again. Oh my god, they're so crunchy and tasty. So good. Next one, I'm gonna get those both. Okay. Oops, I need to sit down back. Those ramens, they're kind of blue, but they're not. Okay, what is this? And those, yeah. And then go here. Here, broski. I'm gonna eat the ramen. Okay. So tasty. Yeah, they're so tasty. Then I'm gonna eat all them. Eat it. What is this bowl? Oh, thanks. It's more clean. Tasty. Then I'm gonna get those both. Oh, pie and we haven't changed it all in English because I do not get what it says. And you can read it. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Pie. Very pie. And it's like purple. So tasty. And then I'm gonna eat those. Oh. Then the chicken. Then the thing. Then this again. And the thing. I'm gonna eat those both. Guys, I'm gonna eat those both very fast. Okay, I'm gonna eat those both sticks now. Then tea. Oh my god, they're so tasty. Then I'm gonna drink the thing. I'm gonna drink green milk. Then the last ones are them. Crunchy. Okay, those last ones. Okay, I think this is all done. Okay, I think this will be the finish of this video. Thanks for watching. The next color is going to be all yellow. Then see you.